Assalamu alaikum guys, it's your boy the Broken Pasta back with a new video, and today we are actually going to open this package that we received from Samsung. Now why did Samsung give me this package? Well, it's because I bought a phone from them, the new Galaxy Flip 6, which I'm using to record. So as you can see, lovely camera quality. We're going to open this. It actually came in my home, but then I had to collect it from post office because I rerouted it. So yeah, let's go in it. And see what's up. So once I remove the package, they give me this lovely packaging slip. I got a Samsung Chromebook. Thank you for taking part in Samsung Super September promotion. We're hoping you're enjoying your new device. We are pleased to enclose your free gift. Well, before that, so this is how the packaging it comes in. It's a Chromebook Go. I'll be really honest, I didn't know much difference between Chromebook and laptop. But what I assume is on this you can only access Chrome. So let's say you can't download Microsoft Word. I'm very much I'm not digitally illiterate, I would say, but I would rather say that I have lack of technical terms to use for what I actually have. So yeah, so basically this is how the package comes in. It's lovely. It says do not accept if the seal is broken. So as you can see, I've actually taken a Red Bull can which I've repurposed into a knife, and I'm going to open this. What? Anyways, so when I open the box, this is what happens. I get all these lovely accessories, I believe. So let's open this. Okay, so this is the Chromebook Go itself. It's super nice. Let's this is the Chromebook Go itself. Once I open this, oh well, it is a lovely lightweight laptop with Samsung Chromebook written on it, which is lovely. This is the opening link, and to be honest, like as far as I know, I look at it as a small laptop, so that's very lovely. It looks beautiful though. You can carry it like a tab, which is nice. Like no. So yeah, with it comes assortment of Samsung's official charger, which is nice because I didn't get one with my phone. They should bring back chargers with phones, bro. This is nice. Here we can see Samsung's official charger, C2C. So this is lovely. What I've got with this is a Samsung Chromebook Go, the official C2C charger, and the brick. So let's open it and see what's up. The power button is somewhere here. Okay, what I assume is it's not gonna switch on for some time because it still needs charge. Interesting. So the charger is located here, and that's what I'm gonna do. I've connected it to my normal charger which I use for my phone. So yes, it lights up, which is lovely. It's red now. There was no charge before. Now it's blue, indicating it's charging. So that's interesting. Let's switch this on, and it's connecting to my Wi-Fi, which is a good sign because I once remember buying a device which wasn't connecting to my Wi-Fi. So this is lovely. Okay, I'm gonna connect it. I remembered my password right. So I think because it's a Chromebook, you'd have to connect it to Google at first, and so that's what we are about to do. So this is the screen right now. It says there's a software update. I'm going to use it later. So use Google on your Chromebook later. Well, so basically I have downloaded and I've put a pin. What it's asking me now is to install apps from Chromebook from the Google Play Store, which is really lovely. I thought you couldn't download any apps at all, so that's nice. I've opened up the laptop, or sorry, the Chromebook, and it's just a normal screen. I thought you couldn't do much with it, like you couldn't download an external, like how do I put this? You cannot download, let's say, a Microsoft Word instead of Google Docs, but apparently you can, so that's really interesting. I can actually use Instagram on this. I can use a lot of other stuff, so this shouldn't be a problem. Or rather, it's a browser-based apps that I'm using, which is really fine as well. Um, so yeah, this has been a lovely thing. I'm going to explore it more and upload details later. So make sure to stay tuned to find out more.